Nah. If you fall, dude, you're gonna fucking fall like 10, 15 feet. You gotta jump to it too.
Yeah, that's scary.
I bet you that's slippery as fuck. Where's Alonso? Oh, hey, record us jumping. Don't hit me with a snowball. All right. Quick little adventure. Give me that brush. There's like a brush by one of your feet. One of your feet. All right. Pull up to the Aldi's. I'm about to go hit this shit real quick. Would you look at that? There's a train stopped up there, so I think you know what that means. You know what that means, right?
That shit right now.
Yeah, you are.
I ain't climbing.
Yeah, you are. I'm climbing it. I'm gonna boost you up. Put your hands.
You sure?
Yeah.
Here, why don't I do it? I got gloves.
Yeah, hey, Chris. Oh. There you go. Whoa. Look at Mr. Assassin's Creed right here. Alonso, come on.
Come here.
Yo, pussy. Let's go. I'm down, jump it. You're down to jump it.
What?
The train. Are you down?
We can't get on.
Oh yeah, we can. There's a ladder right there.
Oh shit, let's do it.
All right.
Gonzo!
Do trains jerk? When they, oh fuck.
Nah, they move slow.
Holy shit. Oh shit. Is there a ladder down right here?
Yeah.
There it is. So this place is pretty sketchy on the inside too. Cause like you guys are about to see what's in there. There's like a staircase that goes all the way up to the top, and it's really so fucking dope. And like the way to get in is we're gonna have to like climb on like a window, like climb into like, looks like a second story window. So hopefully there's something we could like pile up so we can climb up. But I don't know, we'll see what we can do. All right, we have to climb down this shit to get this pallet real quick. Oh shit, it's 5-0 in a Prius. It should be sturdy. I hope this doesn't break. Nah, I'm good. Make sure I don't jump on any nails.
That's a pallet.
Yeah, that's what I meant pallet. I don't know what I fucking said.
What do with that?
We're gonna line this up and just walk up it like a ladder. I don't know. All right, here, hold it for him. Hold it for him. The same way. Hey, Chris, hold that side. Make sure you grip onto some shit, Alonso. You good? All right, wanna go next? You good?
How do you get down?
There's a ladder up there.
Is there a ladder up there?
It's over here in this room. Oh shit, shit. There's like a security kind of. Yo.